Hello, UPSC aspirant. I welcome you in this course, UPSC Prelims Hacked 2.0. This course has been prepared while keeping in mind 2023 pattern. There has been slight change in 2023 pattern, especially the option setting. Okay, but don't worry. This ebook will solve all your worries. Okay, so what is the main benefit that you are going to get from this ebook? The most important is your confidence for giving this UPSC prelims exam will exceed. It will increase enormously, really. Why am I saying this? Because you will know how to solve random and unknown questions, which are around minimum 50 questions. So if you know how to solve these 50 questions with great accuracy, don't you think that your confidence will increase manifold? Of course it will. So if you don't trust now, don't worry. If you read these 31 techniques, you will and you will see the huge value that you will get from this. Okay, great. So let me tell you a little about me. I am Gurudayal. I have graduated from IIT Guwahati as a mechanical engineer. Okay, and I have given UPSC 4 times, and I have cracked 3 times UPSC prelims and Indian Forest Service prelims. Okay, and in the last 1 year, I have guided more than 5,000 UPSC aspirants. And I have also got 174 marks in UPSC Indian Forest Service interview. And this year, I have also qualified for UPSC Indian Forest Service interview. Okay, so with this information, let's move ahead. So if you want to contact me, this is my contact number and email ID. You can drop me an email at any time. Okay, so as I get time, I will reply as soon as possible. Yeah. Okay. So what is the usefulness of this short guide? In one sentence, minimum you will see increase in your marks, that is 30 to 50 or even 60 plus marks you can see increase. Okay, so if you are getting around 50 to 80 marks in your prelims marks, then with the help of this ebook you will easily cross 110 120 plus marks in your final UPSC exam. This I am saying with confidence, and because I have myself got this, and a lot of my friends who used the previous edition UPSC Prelims Hacked, okay, they have easily cleared the prelims exam, and some of them are now giving UPSC CSE interview. So with that confidence, I'm saying that if you use this knowledge of this ebook apart from your standard knowledge of your standard materials, then it will be a lot easier to qualify the prelims. Okay, yeah, great. And if you know these tricks now, so what will happen that you will be far ahead of your competition as compared to those guys who don't know these elimination tricks. So with that, let's move further. So now let's learn what is inside this UPSC Prelims Hacked 2.0. So in the prologue part, we will try to learn what is the importance and significance of these elimination tricks with the help of a real life incident. Though it has been little bit fictionalized, but it is experience of some really real person who have given this UPSC prelims exam. Okay, and in the part one, I will discuss what are one of the most important reason for failure in UPSC prelims and how we can how we can solve that problem. Okay, and in the part two, I know you might be having so many doubts about working of these elimination tricks. You might be thinking that these elimination tricks may not work for you. Okay, so I am going to answer all of your queries in this part two. Okay, so I will also let you know what are the sources of these 31 proven techniques. Okay, so with that, we will complete the part two. And in the part two, I will reveal all, in part three, we will reveal all 31 techniques which can be used to solve the UPSC prelims questions. Okay, yeah. Apart from that, in the part four, I will discuss the best and proven preparation strategy for getting 120 plus marks. And it is easy to get 120 plus marks if you follow this preparation strategy. Okay, and in the part five, I will discuss about exam hall approach, so that we give exam with peaceful mind. Okay, and with the right approach, we can solve many questions correctly. Okay, which are very random in nature. In part 6, we will learn how to manage those 2 hours effectively to correctly solve as many questions as possible. Okay. And in the 7th part, we will discuss how we can double our reading speed. Okay. With 100% comprehension, so that many of us face the time crunch, so that we will not face. And in the last part, we will discuss the important topics for prelims based on the past 10 years prelims paper analysis. Okay. With this, our ebook and this course will get completed. And apart from this, then you need to practice these 31 techniques in the PYQs. When I discuss each tricks, I have also given a lot of examples, okay, from the PYQs. So solve those examples and PYQs, so that you, apart from learning those tricks, you also get to practice and get to know how to apply those knowledge. Okay. So I once again thank you for buying this course and making yourself ready for clearing the UPSC prelims exam. So let's begin.